my turn. I know the zones, head stay calm, he guides my goals. Patience in the dark, I don't chase the move. I trust the plan and let it prove. If it's not my setup, I let it go. Slow money wins, that's all I know. Oh, highly favored, highly favored. God first, charge second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. Blessings in the process, highly favored. Asia Princess path, I read it slow. Futures breathe, then drift and flow. No rush, no fear, just clean routine. Zones get tagged and I stay unseen. If the candle lies, I don't lean in. If the prayer is peace, then I begin. One good entry can change the night. Faith over hype keeps the trade right. Highly favored, highly favored. God first, charge second, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. I wait on purpose, highly favored, highly favored, highly favored. Lessons in the process, highly favored.
What's going on?
What's going on, Rick?
What's up, man? Well, first of all, let me bring something up. For those of you who don't know, my man is in a trade. Beautiful short you got there, man.
Yeah, it's one of the setups I like where it comes down, bust below, and then retests. I was a little late getting in. I usually like catching it off this long wick, but just holding down.
Good. That is beautiful. Guys, we're working through the latency issues. If anybody is on OBS expert that can help me get rid of the latency issues as close as we can, please let me know. I've tried, I've done all the settings, but we're still getting a little delay. I'm trying to get it. I know there's gonna be a delay, but I'm trying to get it shortened out to the 2 or 3 seconds.
Here comes some of the Asia volume.
Let's see if music is on. Let me play something different real quick. I just got a new song. Let's see what this sounds like. Yeah, Asia volume is in. So Savage, I see you did some cool stuff for the 4th of July, man. That was great to go see the monument lighting and all that.
Asia wakes up
Yeah, it
slow.
was super
I'm
cool.
already
We just happened to work out that we're driving right past it on our way through, and just took the advantage of it. They had the city blocked off, the zones, the gates. So I think we got like 10,000 steps in 2 hours, trying to walk around and see everything. It's wild.
That's awesome. Well, we see that Savage is in the trade. I'm trying to see what else the market is showing. See a bit down. TTP over there.
No need to fight, I move with the night. Wait for the setup, wait for the setup.
Chat, how was your weekend? Hope everybody had an awesome weekend. Hey Kelvin, how's it going? Yeah, like, subscribe.
Did you do anything? Did you do anything fun over the 4th? You got all 9 of your fingers left?
Interesting. Hold on, I'm getting a message. Well, I don't see it breaking up on my end, and I'm also streaming it, Kelvin. Kelvin said something to me on the side that he said he was breaking up, but I don't see it breaking up on my end. Let me bring up the volume of this. I hear it perfectly clear, but yeah, this weekend we went out, took the grandkids, some of the grandkids, to a buddy house of mine. He has a barn, so he has splash pads, you know, he had that. We watched adults play kickball. I did not play because after a certain age, right, your body hurts. It just hurts. It hurts getting out of bed. So I didn't want to run the risk. And even right that Saturday, I actually mowed the lawn on Wednesday, felt a pinched nerve in my back. Then Saturday morning, I got up and washed the cars, and I guess I bent down the wrong way, and my sciatica went out, so I could barely walk. I just pulled out an old man's chair, sat in the chair, and sat there for 6.5 hours, and then we went home.
Play grandpa.
That's it. So my wife had to run around with all the grandkids that we had there, and it was great. It's a good time. Guys, I don't see anything yet. I can see a little pump up possibly to maybe 880 zone.
Yeah, I was watching that as well. I have a little zone marked out array coming off this 872. It's the Magic 880s.
Yeah, if it gets up to the 880s, I'll take a sell there. Just because we got a previous support, and if we extend that out, we see that it was previous resistance. So there is a lot of confluence here, which I like for the sell. So I'm waiting for the 880s. Well, the Discord is not on live, Savage and I are on live. I'm waiting to see what this does up here. Take a small position. 3 lots. How many lots are you in yours?
I initially went in with, and this is part of my, I don't know, I go in heavier than scale out quickly. But I started with 15 contracts and I scaled out down to here and closed out here. So I think this position is up like $230 so far.
Oh, let's go.
So I'm just letting this rest ride. This final position will be for another $191.
Oh, that'd be sweet.
Yeah.
How'd you do today overall?
I melted one of my PA accounts off revenge trading. And then I hit my 50% on 4 of my other accounts that I was trying to hit. And then $600 on my funded futures, or no, it was elusive. They gave me that 60% off the vault.
Nice.
So I did have overall well after I blew my PA, but back at it again. And
who are those companies with that you got the 4 with?
The FFF.
Okay.
And they had that 25K, that was $16 to remove.
Yeah, you can't beat that deal, man. All in. Those are the velocities, right?
Yep, no activation fee, all in.
You really can't beat those deals. The only thing I don't like about them is that intraday drawdown, but if you can get past that.
Yeah, that's the hardest part.
Now, does it keep the intraday even while funded, or do you have that buffer to beat and then that's it?
You have that buffer to meet, and then it's kind of like Apex.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you get below past that, I think it's a $700 trail, so you can't go heavy, or else you'll get smoked.
World asleep upstairs, I stay on watch. Soft rain on the pane, and the screen stays hot.
Move my stop.
Clean openings.
Yep, I'm coming up. It's coming up to the 80s. And
faith in the process.
I'm gonna throw another entry in right running for myself.
I was trying to get in. It left me. I tried to do a short on the hotkeys, and here we go. Let's see if we can get pumped in there. Alright, we're pumped in. I'm in the 880s. 3 contracts. Let's see what happens here. TP. It'd be a nice TP down to the 200, so it'd be about the 820, so 80 to 20. I have a hard time putting a stop loss, guys. I need y'all help. I need help learning how to put a stop loss on. see if it breaks above 907 or whatnot. But here we go. We're getting a nice move back down. Nice retracement. Love to see this melt.
Not every door
There we go.
meant to swing. Some winds arrive.
Now we sit and wait. Would love to see it come down to the 200. This momentum is very, very bearish. SpaceX gets introduced to NASDAQ tomorrow. What do you think about that?
Should have bought more today. Yeah, it just means there's gonna be a lot more volume pumping into it, which is nice. They turned options trading. It'll help the volatility, pump it up.
Yep.
So,
Listen, I'm doing a risk-free trade right now. Gonna risk. I'm not risking anything. I got a $34.50 big profit. That's my stop. Last week we had that one. Thursday was rough, so want to play it safe. But let's see if we can get this to move back down. We love to see this dump. That's the 15-minute, the 5-minute. That's a beautiful selling tail. 1 minute. It's holding on the 9. That's what I got right now.
and all your means are spreading out. Mine's at 9, so they're all dropping down.
Yeah.
Like it.
There's that nice push down though. Come on. That's a nice push down right there, guys. 3 micros, $125. Keeping it nice and simple. Let's see if we can go ahead and just get this drop.
Roughly 30 points on that's first week.
Yeah.
Nice trade.
It's a nice little drop there. Let's push this thing down. Get out and push, as some other streamers would say. There we go. That's a nice push. Would love to see this continuation down. In fact, the 1 minute looks great. That's a beautiful push down. There we go. And I'm gonna bring my stop down to $80. So that's a W in my book. Are you still in your trade? Let's go over to your screen. Yeah.
Yeah, I had a limit order in up where my entry was. And then I'm gonna bring my stop loss back down now. It's above that candle.
Yeah, listen, I ain't giving nothing back this week. This week I'm coming for it all. I should have took it across multiple accounts. But while I'm learning how to stream, right, trying to get everything handled, just one trade at a time, one account at a time, I should say. See if we can get this thing going. There we go. Nice push down. That was a snipe entry. Let me tell you. Thank you, Ocala. Now let's see if we can get down to the 20s.
And that was just what I was talking about, where that rate was, where it came across at 72, up into the 80s was a perfect entry.
Yeah. That's a nice push down. We're up 270. 280. Let's push down. Let's get down to the 290s. We're up $300 on this. We're going to bring down the stop to secure at 852. Gives me 165. I don't like that number. Hold on. 170. So we'll see. Oh, wait. I need to add some music here.
I'm going to look at the 5-minute candle and
music.
see where we're at.
It's coming from. Oh, that's where that's coming from. So, actually, let's do a little bit of a snipe the zone.
Yeah.
That was a great trade. Anybody else took that? Well, no, nobody else took that because this is not a signals channel. If anybody saw that same idea, it was looking at the market in that area, let me know if you took something similar.
Get some W's in a check.
We just sniped the zone. Let's see if we can get that push, right? I need that 15-minute, 200 touch. Right above it. Just need right above that 200. Kelvin said V took it. What'd you take, Kelvin? You should be nicely in the profits, hopefully moving your stops down. Guys, this is gonna melt.
So we're looking at this 783 level down to the 80s. There is a, let me see if we can, where am I next here? I'm on a daily chart.
I moved my stop down to 840.75, secured 234 bucks. We get it push up, but this is gonna keep mounting.
There was back from May 14th, there was a big wick up, and it's been tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So it's a big zone.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, Savage. Kelvin, yes, I know I'm on a delay, but that's why we called out the zone early. I tried to call out the numbers early. 880, we were saying 880 on the dump, down to 820. We just got TP hit, and let me show my screen here. This is the zone that I was looking for right here, right? This was it. So we went in here, and we got out at 820. That was the trade. And let me, right there. You see it here at the bottom. Entry, exit, 351. Your fees. So ended up with 340 something. But look at that reaction off the 200. Reaction off the 200 pops up, 15 points or whatnot. That was a great trade right there. Actually did very well to the account. 350. In the first 15 minutes of trading, we can't go wrong. But let's go back to Savage's chart. He was explaining about the daily and the zone.
Yeah, so I was looking at here, this 873.75. I'll pull up that here in a second. I was just move my stop loss down below this candle here. I do a lot of order flow. So where it came down, this was a bullish candle. Some people, I don't know what they call it, but I like it above there. That's why I placed my stop right there. And it looks like I'm gonna get tagged. And I'll show you why I think it's gonna come down here a little bit lower. I just got stopped. That was at $75 on that last micro. So
there we go.
Close out 315 after fees, 287.70.
There we go. So that was a beautiful, beautiful snipe.
And I'll show you why I think that 783 is still a factor. Let me try to get rid of some of this crap on my chart. And it won't let me.
Look up the news.
All right. So the 783 back from May, and that was at May 13th, May 14th. That was the top of the wick. It was rejected here, and it bounced off here, rejected here, didn't quite make it there. So it's a big zone. You can look at this area here. Basically 83 to 43. There's that big player in there somewhere. So that's why I think we might have another level down to there.
I like it. I like it. 7. Let me look at. Look at the 1 hour. See, yes, I got 775 on that wick down that it can potentially come. So a lot of confluence there. It's going back down on the 15-minute. See what we break here, like, just gotta wait now for the market to do something. See, listen guys, not for nothing, I can be a little cocky, right? But I don't see other streamers at this time making these type of moves that quick. I'm just saying. There's a lot of chit-chatting and a lot of this, a lot of that. Just snipe the zones. But look at that pop. 30-point pop from the exit. That was a great exit.
Your 200 was sitting on a 20 level.
Yep. That's why I loved it to down there.
80 to 20. Ocala.
Yeah, shout out Ocala. If anybody knows Ocala, tell them shout out. That was a snipe entry right there. See what the market does. See, I wouldn't take it a second time. It's going back up to the same zone. Same zone. This account gets closer to another payout. Try to get these payouts. By the end of this week, this account should be at another payout. Take a payout on here on stream live. Oh, we should have reversed there. My God, that would have been another $300 up.
For real.
And which we should have, right? Because we know that that's the 80-20.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. Oh, that zone is invalidated now. Actually, if I get another, this is a bullish push. Savage, you're not gonna like this, but it would have been a 100-point push. We're gonna go up to the 920 area. That trade would have been better than the sell we just had. Just saying.
And faster.
A lot faster.
Good job on securing profits.
No problem with securing profits, but man, when you watch this thing run. Australia benchmark.
So psychological, Burke. How does that make you feel?
Makes me feel like a rookie. This pump. Nothing like missing it. Here we go. We're getting a rejection at the VWAP. So weird. Viewership is down today. I would like to understand why. Maybe my title wasn't good. Maybe my title was not good. Need to add a better title. I'm still trying to learn all these algorithms.
Yeah, I'm not an algo king yet. Let's see. I'm gonna put.
Look at this pump. Guys, I know there's just a few of us on chat, but we need to type something. Type 1 or something in the chat. Maybe it'll hit the algorithms. This is going to be a community effort. You know how they say it takes a village to raise a child? This is going to take a village to pump this channel. And take screenshots. You know what? When you do something well, like we sniped that, I'm gonna go back and record that and make that into a short and do all of the stuff. Bro, this is going to be 100-point trade to the upside. I want to see how it's gonna react here at the 920s. I have my proprietary EMA there. On the 5 minute, it's actually crossing the 200. Bro, this is a pump. And I can see this coming back up, and then 9 would drive it back down.
I'm watching the opening range for this session, just trying to see how it works with here.
Okay, let me put on your, hold on, let me put on your window, and then let me go grab something that I left, and I'll be right back. So if you can just manage it, be right back. You can.
All right, I'll sit up. So I'm just going to run this as a test to kind of see the opening range during New York sessions, the first 15 minutes, which is, but I'm going to do the 8 o'clock Asia session to the 8:15. And this would be 25% line, 50%, 100%. So we came up right to the 50%. And typically during New York session, I would look for a re-entry because I'm on, make sure 5 minute candle. There we go. So as long as the 5 minute candle held above the orb, I would look for a re-entry on the break of that for the 50%. So I'm just going to be watching this kind of as a test because I'm learning this markets with everyone here. And so let me do, I'll mark this out here so you would see. So right there we go. We just busted above the 50%. I wouldn't have got my re-entry because it didn't come back down into it.
Let's see. I'm gonna rotate accounts here.
Yeah, I just opening up one of mine too. That was a Tradeify I initially traded on. I'm gonna trade on Lucid, I think.
Almost up to the 20.
It's hitting my 200 EMA right now on my 1 minute chart.
Yeah. What time frame were you on?
1 minute.
Okay.
Oops.
Yep.
Switch to 5 minute. Yeah, 200 on a 5 minute, sitting up a little bit higher.
Yeah, that was the entry that I wanted.
925.
And that would have been snipe entry off that 1 minute too. I was looking for the 920. I know somebody chased that. JLD. Sorry, I was sneezing. It's a beautiful, beautiful reaction. Look at that reaction. And it came up to 916. I was looking for the 920s. We're getting some good movement right now in Asia, though.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at. I almost want to smack along here, but I'm waiting.
Well, it's on the 5 minute. You got the 9 right there. Right here. It's coming up to the 9. Oh, the 9 here. This is where I wanted entry. Oh, 920. What did Microsoft do today? I've been having my eyes on Microsoft.
I missed them.
It's holding the 9 on your screen. Oh, look at that reaction. What is that yellow line you have back down there?
That would be my VWAP.
Oh, on the 1 minute?
Yep, my anchored VWAP from the 8 a.m. open.
Oh, okay. So you use the anchored VWAPs? I never messed around with the anchored VWAPs yet. Did anybody take that sell? Is anybody in the sell right now?
I'm gonna try one.
Still waiting. See what this market brings.
Do a 1 for 1. And I caught the top of the candle. Don't follow Savage.
Oh, what did you end up doing over there?
I took a long
Okay.
based upon the order break. I'm gonna go below that, the wick of the green candle. Where my stop loss is $50. That's fine.
So is it in or you're waiting?
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay.
Yeah, you see my order here. I have 1 long minus $23 right now. And I'm gonna shoot for. We've already took the 50%. I'm gonna go for basically the 100%.
Yeah, that should get a nice little push.
Once we get up to the 50%, I'll throw it at break even.
Yeah. I look like a bobblehead on stream, guys, but I'm just looking at so many screens and things going on. Actually,
Just waiting for Kaboosh 3 points.
and I guess the U.S. just scored.
Oh, we got a pump now.
Yeah. It's a tied game. I don't have the game. I just got the live scores up just to see what's going on. There's a Ninja Trader competition as well that launches tomorrow. You could only trade ES. I think ES, gold, and oil. Okay, good discipline, Kelvin. Not taking that sell. I was waiting up at 920. I hope you were too. Let me go back. Build a Google Docs. Yeah. What do you think of this? All this AI while this trade plays out?
Well, there's advantages and disadvantages to it. If you learn how to be a master prompter, or somebody can prompt very well, you're going to be good. But if you ignore AI and choose not to partake in it, there you go, stopped out. You're going to be left behind and possibly lose opportunities. Yeah. Give you a real life example. My wife is in an industry where I started showing her AI right when ChatGPT came out, and she took advantage of it, and nobody understood it. And she's got very well prompting, and she can do 10 people's jobs right now just by herself. It's leveled her up multiple levels in our company, and she's done very well with it. Now,
that's incredible.
On the trading side of the world, that it's going to be interesting to see, because if everyone's using AI is going to be trading against itself. So,
yeah,
it's interesting to see how that's going to work.
Yeah. Ant says it's pushing down. Yes, it is, Ant. We were waiting for the 920 zone to get that push down. We caught the first push down. We should have had the push back up, but we were 4 points short from getting our entry. I'll show my screen here. 4 points short from getting our entry here. 920. We would have been up, what is that? 80 points. We would have been up 80 points right now. We would have done very, very well today on the dump, the pull up, and then the dump again. But I'm just gonna see what this market does after it breaks down to 820. But one thing that's interesting on the AI stuff, Savage, is I've been thinking a lot about trading in AI, and leads me to believe, right? How long hasn't the market already been using AI against us, right? The algo traders.
Right.
So this is something that's just been around for a long time, and we're just getting the whiff of it, right? Like you said, it's about being a master prompter. Like right now, I got AI in the background running some stuff for me while I sit here and I trade, right? And I'm a high user of Perplexity. I know it's not known around the circles. Everybody uses Claude and ChatGPT and whatnot. I use Perplexity because I use it a lot for business. And right now it's working in the background for me, creating these documents that I need. And I don't have to do anything with it. So I love it. I love it.
But the cool part is you create agents, which are basically free workers that tell the other workers what to do, and you can build it like a business structure where you have one agent, which is a manager who manages certain groups, and you have another general manager that controls the managers. And I mean, as long as you understand structure, you can have the flow going through. They could do everything you need to for a large company is running it by a single person.
Yeah, I've had AI build stuff for me while I sleep. Like I'll leave it and it just, I wake up and it's done a lot of the work for me. So it's a great thing. Right now, I just love watching it as it builds everything out for me. I just love what it does. But we're getting a lot of volatility today on this market.
Yeah.
And to see what else is gonna happen here. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share.
Wake up.
Bro, today I had no coffee. I fasted today and I had no coffee. Just water. I had my first meal a little while ago. I did a 6 to 6 with no coffee, no nothing. So
that's wild.
Yeah, it's rough.
I haven't had coffee in years, like many years. I don't drink it.
Jeez, I don't know how you function. And we go back to the 820s. We would have had a 260 back to 820. Yeah, he says. What does that mean? Yeah, and I make AI do a lot of work for me. A lot of work for me. Actually got it running right now, making some documents and also doing some comparisons for my day job, right? I call it a day job, but I spend a lot of time trading in the day. Like, this is pretty much my day job, but I'm also a realtor in the Florida market. And right now I got it building market data for me. What's going on in the market? How many homes are available? Time of the length that they sit on the market. Why is it sitting on the market? Things that we can improve. So I'm building a lot of that data. It says JLD says Belgium scored. Yup, 2-1. That's why we went down. That's why we went down. If the US scores, full port longs. Full port longs.
Good work, JD.
Let's go, JD. So he took the sell, 277. JD, I'm a little salty, man. Look at this thing. 4 points for my entry. But 277 times 5 accounts equals 775. And you know what that means, JD? Tell me what that means, JD. Let's see if he's learning anything.
Cash app. Very good hint.
I don't see you replying. Tell me what that means.
That's some of those other free rooms out there that collects 10% fee.
Come on now. Exactly. Get out and send the cash app. Get out and send the cash app. Like, we haven't even been on stream literally for an hour. And we easily could have made way over $1,000 on all of these moves already. Small size. I took 3 micros earlier, made 350. Savage made 3 and some change. JD made 277 on the drop. Like, if we would have just been paying attention to everything, we could have really sniped this. But here comes, this is going to go down. Going back to Savage's chart here. He has a 770 zone.
Yeah, I'm trying to adjust my screen here.
He has somewhere down in there.
Right there. It's my daily. I flipped to my lucid chart, so I had to redo my stuff a little bit. There we go. 779.
779. See, I got a zone at 777.25. So that's confluence. So I would say after this 5-minute candle close, if we get a retest back up, a clean retest, for me it has to be clean, which would be, let's see if it's here. Because I was doing something earlier on forecast, right? It has to come up here. Not this candle, but the following candle. I actually don't like that. Has to close. See, this is not gonna, it's not gonna happen yet. This candle has to close below the 820. I'll need a retest. Clean to 820. And then I'll take the sell down to 770. So wait for this candle to close. I like the way this forecast works. Bars pattern. I don't know what this is. Some of these things are whacked out. I would need it to close below the 820, have a clean retest to the 820, then I'll take it down. So essentially it would be here, here, and then from here to here. But if it closes above, then we're looking bullish. But this is what I would have been looking for. We still got 52 seconds. Anything can happen. That's doing great though. Oh, ghost feed. This is what I needed right here. I'm trying to learn how to use this still. Okay, this is what I wanted.
Is that wealth charts?
This is Tracy.
Tracy?
Yeah, this is Tracy. Somebody just walked in my house. Don't know who that is. So this is what I would have been looking for right here. This would have been my trade, something to close below, a retest. So if I move this up here, that would have been my trade. Get out, Discord chat, he says. What do you got in Discord chat, General? Which chat, JD? Are you which Discord? Let's see.
JD in the wrong Discord.
Well, JD is in the HFT. No, he's in the right Discord. HFT Discord. Or did he post something else somewhere else? Let's take a look. Let's take a gander. Oh, Luna fell asleep on the Discord. Just know that.
Hear him sawing logs out there.
Live chat at the top. Live chat at the top. All right, let me go back to HFT. Guys, there's nothing going on right now. I'm waiting on my move and my move only. We're up 350 for the day. For the night. General. Discord chat, live chat at the top. Live chat. Ah. Come on now. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Guys, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. This is what happens when you copy trade. I won't take. This is the power of compound. This is me learning how to use Discord on the fly. I mean, this thingy, whatever it is, OBS. Let me save that. JD. It's the power of compound. JD. And okay. Guys, this is the power of compounding right here. Check, copy, paste. Power of compounding right there. 5 accounts, 1 trade, up 770 something. Right there.
Fire.
That is amazing, JD. Good work, sir. That is good work. See, they want to drive this thing down. But the buyers are present. The buyers are very, very present. Look at that. We're using streaming, using images. As I'm excited, we're learning.
Pretty soon we'll have an AI agent to take care of it for you.
Oh, it's almost there. It's almost there.
I see those guys are like, hey Jarvis, could you give me the data for today? And
Dude,
goes through.
speaking of that, I'm trying to create one for my own setup using Perplexity.
That'd
Oh,
be
wait.
legit.
Come on, copy paste. Mind blown. Yeah. And guys, not for nothing. Last week, hold on. Got a friend of mine who's leaving in the military. He's getting his numbers getting called out, and he's got to go back to Japan, and he sent me a nice little loving message. So to miss him dearly, and he's just an amazing man, an amazing family man, an amazing evangelist. Like, he's just an amazing guy all the way around, and he will be missed. But aside from Thursday, right? Thursday, I should have cut that trade earlier. I should have reversed. I should have done so many things on Thursday, but I was adamant because of the news. I took a loss. It is what it is. But for the most part, you get on here, you take the trades, you view what's going on. No, you don't take the trades. This is not a signals channel. Wait a minute. This is not financial advice. Keep thinking I'm in the private Discord.
I want it short here.
Oh, wait. Oh, no. I thought we were frozen, and it was me that had paused it on YouTube. Need this to drop. We know it's going to continue going down. I should have took the test of the 9, but I want my break and retest. What I'm going for. I gotta get some different music. What, Kelvin? What? You said what? What?
What?
The what? What the what?
Did USA score? You gotta keep me posted, because if they score,
wait.
I gotta go long.
No, they haven't scored yet.
Okay, wait. I need the Belgium to score so this goes down, and then USA score like 6 times.
Why is my camera not following me?
I see you.
No, it's supposed to like follow me when he says I need signals. Dude, we called that 880 sale on the money. And then we were calling the 920 zone. And it missed us by 4. There goes Nightbot. Hold on.
Got him.
Let me put Nightbot on timeout for 24 hours. Nightbot gotcha, man. Yeah, and somebody in here took that sale. I was just greedy for my 920. Copyright. Christian. Following up on what you said. Gotcha. Yeah, the Discord, we do well on the Discord. We do well. Instrumental. My dog is outside my door just weeping.
Love you.
Yeah. And then she comes in and then wants to cry to go back outside. And then this morning, she woke up with a limp in her leg. I don't know what happened. bad for her. He's trying to take all the profits and give them to the vet.
It's not shoe shopping or getting nails done, it's a vet.
Yeah, for real. Like, I can't win. I can't win. In a couple weeks, though, we will be going horseback riding in the ocean.
Oh, that's sweet.
Is it? Is it though?
I think it'd be fun.
Oh, come on.
You gotta get your cowboy hat on.
Come on, man. I don't know if it's gonna be fun. I want to get on a horse and just run it, right? Like, let's go. I don't want to sit there short stepping in the ocean. Like, I don't know. I can't say too much. She might hear this.
It's yes, dear.
Yes, I had to say yes, dear, but I'm like, come on. Looking at anything?
Just watching this VWAP getting tapped right now.
Oh, there you go. I'm back on your charts. Let me get my... horseback riding. This looks good for longs actually right now. Gotta switch up my bias and not focus so much on the sales. It's looking really good for buys. Let's see. Oh, I messed something up in the algorithm. We normally have 20 something viewers. Messed something up. We're gonna figure that out.
It's all good. All right.
What are you looking at over there? What are all these lines?
So I'm looking at the Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low. If we were to take a short, I like it typically in this range here with the fair value gap. But there's a where's my marker? Right. So right off this wick here, you can see a 1 minute fair value gap, and then this wicks down into it. So I would like that for a short coming up, but I think it's already jumping ahead of me right off that VWAP. But I would like
that
to see
rejection off your 8 o'clock VWAP though. That was good.
Yeah, it respects it. Like it bounces off and then it just hard pushes through. Bounces off.
That would have been nice. Yeah, see, I can't switch my bias. Look at that push down. Jeez.
Yeah. I might want to FOMO into this.
You're not the only one, sir. FOMO, guys. We got to learn how not to FOMO. Because it's respecting that buy zone. It's respecting the buy zone. Let's see. Get one more push down. I needed to close under. I would love to go for the sale. But I may or may not have FOMO'd into that 50 bucks. I may or may not. I'm just saying. Had to get something on the board there. I can't FOMO on screen. 2-1 halftime. Let's see. 2-1 halftime. They're away. Not bad. Something here. Retrial. Yeah, I don't want to pay for anything. Oh, wait. Let's try this. Email. Yeah, I want to see this just dump. Just dump. Just dump. Just got a message asking me about something, so where is log into? Somebody's asking me about some crypto. Let's see what this. No, not that. Whoa.
Some low volume there.
See, it's doing what I wanted to do. Watch this. This guy. Do you see the chat?
Looks like we have a special guest presenter next week. How to throw minis in a 25K account.
Plus 366 of 5 times 5 of 877. That could have been bad. Fat finger. Oh man, my boy JD. What are we gonna do with him? What are we going to do with JD? Okay, this is starting to make a move that I want to see. This guy's distracting me. See what he wants to do here. Give me 1 second. This is one of my buddies that asks me for advice. I do want to take this short.
You see my screen?
Oh, somebody's in a short. Oh, that's a beautiful short, man. Look at that. That's a beautiful short. Good job.
Come on. Hit me.
Say hit me.
I got 5 left.
5 left. What'd you take? 10? 15?
15.
15. This is the short that I would like to see down at 277. Still not getting a clean close under the 820 area.
Came up and wicked me out.
But you secured quite a bit on there, right? You had
Yeah.
5.
Just about 400.
Good job.
The market's moving quick right now. It's almost 9 o'clock push. Let's see.
Send this text message.
Does anyone in chat use opening range or the initial balance, I guess? I'm looking. Don't know if anyone uses like the 8 to 9 o'clock, 8 to 9 o'clock. Been looking at some of the edge-full data that's been out there during New York session. I've been looking at it. Just learning this here. That would have hit me. That would have hit me. 600. It would have been $600. What you looking at, Rick? I hear a keyboard.
I was in the FOMO trade. I saw you take a trade. I hit it. I didn't make as good as you. I only made $62 on one of these other accounts, but it's accounts that had a bad day on Sunday. So I'm recovering them. So to see. Oh, this is looking like the entry. Going back to my screen, and I think I was a little late going to my screen, but I need that another little wiggle up. This is exactly what I was looking for, a close below. It did do the wick up, and I missed it on the phone. Can't be distracted, guys. That was my fault. But this is what I want to see, this little wiggle. I'm gonna take a 2-lot here. Push me in, and we're in. Now let's see if we can take this down to 277. Got room to the 9. That's why I only took 2 contracts. And this might not work, right? Because it's the 820 zone. It's the 80-20 zone. But I spoke about it. This is the trade that I needed. So now we wait. And music. And it's holding. When it holds above my entry that long, I don't like it. I like my trades to work out immediately. Had a little bit of flush to market. Yeah, I don't like the way that looks right now. But we'll see.
By the key levels, hands calm, eyes sharp.
Here we go.
They chase the candle wick, I stay where the truth starts. Fake break, then the snapback. I seen that movie play. Let the weekends panic. I'm built to let it fade. They run the house for the crowd and sell into the euphoria. I don't chase the first move, I let the first move warn you. Patience over pressure, that's how the real ones win. If it sweeps through the zone, I know that the trap is in. Take the stops, clear the zone, hold your breath, let it go. No FOMO, no rush now, wait for the real move, wait for the now. Flush the market, flush the market, flush the market, then we move. Take the stops, clear the zone, flush the market.
That track goes hard.
Wait for the real move, flush the market, flush the market, flush the market, then we slide. High probability, that's the law. Wait for the real move, take it right. I don't blink at the sweet. I know what the sweet means. Liquidity on the hook, while they feed the weak dreams. One candle
Look
through
at
the
the
floor,
1
then a whole
minute.
chart
1 minute
shakes.
is gaining a lot
That's
of
not fear,
volume here
that's
right
fuel.
now.
That's the path to the break. I'm locked on
Look at the
discipline.
15. The 15 is just lally-dagging right there on the 200. We got 6 minutes left on it.
If it's not my level,
See what we
then
do.
I don't enter. I'd rather miss a fake
Y'all want to see
run
something?
and force my
Let's take a gander at
Take the
somebody
stop,
else's
clear the
screen.
zone,
See them
hold your breath,
trades
let it
there.
go. No FOMO, no rush now. Wait for the real move, wait for the now.
Look at
Flush the
JD's.
market, flush the market, flush the market.
What do we got there? Do we have a buy?
Take the
I have a
stops,
stop loss.
clear the zone, flush the market.
I have risk management.
Wait for the real move, wait for the mic.
Look at
Flush the
that.
market.
So are you in
Flush the
sales or
market.
buy?
Flush
I'm
the
in sales.
market.
I'm gonna
Then we
sell. I'm adjusting one of my stop losses. I'm in at 815.75 is my entry.
Wait for the real move,
My
make it
order.
right.
Stop
Patience
loss.
is
I have
the edge, and the edge is mine.
828.75 and
I let them overtrade, I let
837.25.
them cross the
My
line.
first TP
When the zone gets
is
clean,
going to lock my
then I step it steady.
799.75.
No fear in the flush.
Actually,
I'm already
a little
ready.
bit wrong.
Flush the market. Flush the market. Flush the market.
And I'm going to shoot
Hit the
for
room.
that 7.
Take the stops,
70
clear the
area.
zone. Flush the
Kinda like where you're
market.
at.
Now we
See what this does.
flush the market.
I want
Flush
to
the
see it
market.
push here.
Flush the market.
We need to see a nice push down. Nice push down.
Wait for the real move, wait for the real move, then we take it all the way.
Oh, I don't like that candle. This is chopping. Market just went into chop city. Yep, here we go. I won't let this take too much from me. I don't know how to place stops and all of that. I'm learning. I'm learning for the stream.
Put a buy limit. I just
Yep.
missed my first stop, which is good. I think my kids are watching a game right now.
Are they screaming go yet?
No.
No, I think it's like halftime or something. I don't know how long that lasts. I don't know anything about soccer.
Nope.
Oh, I was gonna do something. Create a new scoreboard. Wait, soccer. I got sidetracked. Universal generic score, most sports. Oh, soccer right here. I'm gonna try to put a soccer something. I don't know.
Put a widget up there.
That's what I'm looking for. This thing is still just lollygagging. Here we go. Here we go. We're getting a nice move down. Here we go. Nice flush acito. Beautiful flush.
Oh yeah, push.
Yeah, that's Savage's chart. This is my chart. We're in there. Look. Yeah, y'all can peek. Look, I got a stop loss up here somewhere. I have no idea
Yeah.
what that is. But push down.
It almost hit me.
Oh, did it wick you?
It was 6 ticks away. 5 ticks away. 1.25. It's all right. It's bouncing off that 9. I want to see this reject off there again. There we
Beautiful
go.
wick down. Go.
push. Oh, one tick away. Low is 850. My order's sent at 800, so it's 2 ticks.
All right, so my stop loss, I'm gonna put it at 814.
Oh, it didn't even take my order. It hit it, but didn't take it.
When
Low of my candles 29,800, and that's where my order
I
says.
got a
it
stop
didn't take it.
loss for 24 bucks just because I don't want to give anything back to this market. I gave enough last week, and now I just want it all. I want it all back.
See that, Bert?
Oh, it did hit you.
Yeah. The low of the candle is 29,800, and it didn't take it.
That's the
That's
worst.
prime. That's like I'm in a live market. You think the sim trading would take it?
Yeah. Yeah. And I
Because in a
got stopped for
live
24
market,
bucks.
that's legit. What happened if there's only one order there and I'm number 3 or 4 in the pecking order? They won't fill me.
I might have had my stop too short, too close, but I don't want to give anything to this market. Now it's going to go get you. Yeah. Now it's going to go get you. It just had to come out to get me.
I'm going to freeze it back.
I'm trying to find something for the soccer game.
You hit one of my stop losses at break even. The other one I'm sitting down here ways.
OW. Oh, like this right here. I don't know what this means. I don't know anything, but I'm going to take this image. Oh, I'm going to have to.
Oh, it would have hit me.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Think about add. Bear with. I don't think I should get a. It's choppiness now.
Yeah. See, unlike the earlier sessions where it was clean, where like it would come down, retest, dump, come up, retest, dump. Now it's like chop, 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 chop.
Yeah.
Where this would have came up, down, dumped, retest, dump. That's the kind of action I'm looking for. Now it's like chop, 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 dump. It's gonna stop me.
Yeah, it's coming back up. Forward and post. Oh, there it goes. It's pushing back down. We're gonna get that. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it.
I added 2 more at the 9. Let's see.
Some of the greatest
Really?
pictures you can get in the middle of trading, though. Just my grandbaby. Nothing better than seeing my grandbaby. This is why we do what we do. I hit the manual lockout and tradeovate. Come on. JD done did it.
Way to be,
He
JD.
locked out. Great job, JD. You did absolutely amazing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. That HFT is the one helping you. Yep. I may or may not have phone mode. Maybe, maybe not. Maybe or maybe not. Let me remove this window. Oh, I gotta see this flush. I have to see this flush. There we go. Nice push down. Nice push down.
Close out
Come
2 of
on.
my orders.
This should be the last trade of the night, too. This is gonna be great.
Break even.
This is why you rotate accounts. Some of us copy trade a bunch of accounts. But this is why you rotate accounts right here. I don't know about that gold short because I'm not in it.
Joe Mama.
Joe Mama's here. Shows up out of nowhere and talks about a gold short. That is a beautiful short. Oh, Lord.
What? Look at this NQ short right now. Come on, hit me. Come on, Joe Mama. Just yell it. Hit me. It tickled me again. All right. Not being dick for a tick. I'm closing it right now. There you go.
Right there.
Got
Come
me.
on. Let's go down to the 770 zones, though. 777. This is what we were shooting for. 3-1. Belgium is up.
There it is. Boom.
Boom.
Yep. See, they scored and it dumped.
My God.
Right off the 100% of that range.
Good job, Joe. G is up. It's not a trade we looked at here. We don't look at gold as of right now, but that NQ paid. That paid beautifully. Anybody else was up in that NQ? Anybody else take a look at that NQ? Had the same idea? Saw what we saw? FOMO'd into the trade? So we did absolutely amazing today, Savage. We crushed it, man. I may or may not be. May or may not be in something. May or may not be in something before we end here. Oh, I ain't got no music on. My bad. I made 900 in an M&Q short. There you go. Joe Mama's killing it. Come on, Joe Mama.
How many micros or what'd you have?
And there. Put a little bit of music here.
Chris, I'm a top down right now. We're Okay, 147. So you have maybe 5 micros.
But Joe Mama.
Yeah. Brick.
Yep. Gold is still shorting. Gold is still shorting. I wonder.
One team. One vision. One legacy.
Yeah. Gold is still shorting. I know. Let me get rid of all of the craziness. That's a good short he got on.
Yeah.
On DC. Beautiful short. It's a beautiful short. And you see the Asia orb actually broke the low, gave the retest. Oh no, no retest. I'm looking at the wrong candles. Broke the low, and then tanked. We looked at MNQ.
Started with a dream, started with the grind.
You see?
Breaking every chain, leaving fear
This is
behind.
why I was so bearish at the 820 zone when I was looking for the retest. The reason I was looking for the retest here, and it's still melting. It was orb low. Look at the orb low right there. It broke, retest, tank. This thing is melting. So we can go to previous day low down to 29,683. Go to micros, nice. Look at this milk savage. Look at this.
Yep. We just put some liquidity low.
But listen, I'm happy with I made total just over 700 on 2 accounts. It's a beautiful day. That is absolutely amazing. FOMO into any other trades.
We don't chase luck.
All the trades.
Favor.
Everything was played out zone by zone. If my 920 would have got hit, that would have been a beautiful 150 point trade. I would have never held it that long because I would have got out here at the 820, but
Time to log off.
yeah, it's time to sign off, guys. It was an amazing night. Savage, give us a closing statement.
We just manage risk and then just survive another day.
That's it. Survive to trade another day. It was an amazing night. Thank you, Savage, for hopping on. We will see you guys here, same channel, 8 o'clock. Listen, tell a friend to tell a friend. And if I don't close my charts, I am going to be FOMO'd into this.
Yep.
And this is where things start going bad. Have a blessed night, everybody. Stay safe. Remember, trade with discipline. This is discipline right here. So, see you guys. I gotta do an outro. I don't have an outro. But remember, read the disclaimer. We'll see you guys here tomorrow.